welcome back to the channel guys. Today I'll show you how to fix the error when your iTunes store account gets disabled. Don't worry, this usually happens for security reasons and I'll walk you through the quick steps to get it back. Now, if you see your account has been disabled in iTunes store, it's often because of multiple failed login attempts, billing issues, or Apple needing you to reset your password. So, if you simply reset your password, this might fix your issue. If that doesn't work, you might want to check where the device or the account has been trying to get logged into. Now, first go to Apple ID website at appleid.apple.com from any desired browser. You can use any browser that you want, and there click forget Apple ID or password. Enter your Apple ID and follow the steps to reset your password, and one reset, try signing in back into your iTunes store. Now you should also check for billing and contact support. If your password reset doesn't work, check your payment method under settings that is in your iTunes store. You can simply go and tap on here and check your billing. As you can see, make sure your card info is updated. If it is still disabled, then you will need to contact Apple support directly so they can unlock your account. And that's it guys. Reset your password, check billing, and if needed, check out or reach out to Apple support. Your account should be back up soon. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Apple tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.